Good
right.
grief. How do I say I'm here in Welsh?
Thank
you very much. It's interesting you were talking about dying there, because this man died last Thursday. How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling really well.
Yes, it's Cad Van Roberts, who plays the character of Glan in, I can never get this right. Pobol y Cwm.
That's it.
Pobol y Cwm.
Perfect.
OK, perhaps the world's most famous and well-loved Welsh-speaking soap opera in the world. We're here in the Derry Arms, so we're going to have a tour, aren't we?
Yes, follow me.
We're going to get the gossip on what's happening in this 5-day-a-week soap right now.
If you want some gossip, follow me.
OK, we're going to the gossip department. You're right, Jerry. That was the bistro. That's the pub bistro. Where are we now?
Right, this is Gina's house.
OK.
OK. Now, a little bit of gossip.
Lovely. Give us the Gina gossip.
Gina's husband ran away with the baby to Bahrain.
Right.
She went to looking for the baby, couldn't find the baby.
Yes.
Came back to London, stole a baby in London.
Stole another baby?
Stole another baby.
Was it this baby?
No, it's not that baby.
No, OK.
But it's another baby.
Lovely.
And at the moment, Rod is back, her husband.
Her husband, from
for
Bahrain.
my funeral.
For your funeral, which is tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Because you left the series last Thursday.
Last Thursday, that's right.
So he hasn't brought the baby with him?
I don't think so.
So all the viewers are thinking, where's the baby?
That's right.
Is the baby going to sort of make a big entrance?
I don't know, you'll have to ask
Oh, that's a very good... Should we go and ask this person over here?
Yes, you can ask this fella here.
Rhiannon, how you doing?
Hello, good morning.
Nice to see you.
And you too.
Let me just get everyone's name. Rhiannon Rees.
That's right.
Director
yes.
of the show. And William Gwyn.
Hi.
Billy White, I've heard, is your nickname.
Yeah.
Why is that?
It's the translation.
Translation in Welsh,
Yeah.
Billy White. Or William Gwyn.
Right.
Now, you are the script editor, and I believe the font of all knowledge. I'm going to ask you a question. I'm going to test you as the encyclopedia of Pobol y Cwm. Which famous wrestler has appeared in the show?
Oh, loads of them. Orig Williams, Giant Haystacks.
Giant Haystacks?
Yeah.
Isn't that amazing? Giant Haystacks has been in this studio. Finally, just let me ask, what are you doing today?
I've 20 scenes to record, starting at 9:30, hopefully to finish by 7 o'clock.
What do you think about these Coronation Street actors who are all going up in arms because they're going to have to go on 4 days a week?
They don't know that they're born.
They don't know they're born, they are. Let's go on with the tour, if you please, Cad.
OK, this is...
the last area.
Denzel and Eileen's house.
Denzel and Eileen's house. Quick bit of gossip on Denzel and Irene.
Well, Eileen's having an affair, of course.
Oh, my goodness. We've got to watch. We've got to watch. Where, can we watch? On S4C?
On S4C, 7 o'clock every night.
This is worth moving to Wales for. Now, pleased to see you, Catherine Lewis.
That's me.
Catherine is our super fan.
Huge fan.
OK, you're here because you're the biggest fan of this show?
I think so.
Why are you such a big fan? Why is it so great?
Oh, it's on 5 nights a week. It's got real drama. It's got murder. It's got rape. It's got drug dealing. And it's
Good grief.
And it's Welsh.
Makes Brookside look like a walk in the park.
It's brilliant.
Finally, one Welsh word that sums up the whole show.
Ooh.
Welsh word.
Ardderchog, yes.
Which means?
It means brilliant.
Brilliant. There you are. This is Jason in Cardiff saying back to the house. See you later.
Jason, welcome welcome to you.
And
thank you so much. Yes, sardines in your top flat. There it is.
Hey, Mark, did you see EastEnders last night?
No, I missed it, so.
How could you miss EastEnders last night?
Oh, I
right,
just
okay,
did.
would you believe it? Okay.